friends. So today we are going to be practicing weight and measuring. I have a balance scale with me, so I'll be able to put objects in here, and we're going to be able to see which one's heavier or which one's lighter, okay? Or are they equal? Okay, so I know that many of you are not going to have, probably no one has a balance scale at home. So what I'm going to kind of be doing is measuring and making predictions with my hands first of how they feel to me, and then we're going to measure it to see was my prediction correct. Or I'm gonna even do some estimation too. So I'll make sure to record what I think is going to be. I'm gonna put heavier, and then I'm gonna put lighter on one side. And we're just gonna do this for a few minutes because I know that you will get the hang of it. So, all right. So my first one that we will try, and I just grab things all over the house. So you can see that I've got some I have some food, some spices. I have some candy, a candle, a potato. I just have random things from all over the house, ranging in sizes and weights. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first one I'm going to do is we're going to compare weights first, okay? So I have a Hershey Kiss, okay? And I have a small thing of dental floss. So, I'm holding them both in my hand. And to me, the dental floss is feeling a little heavier. So I'm going to say the dental floss is heavier than the Kiss. So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to say floss is heavier than the Kiss. All right, and that's going to be my first one. So I'm going to put the Kiss down and let's see. Alrighty, so we can see so far, you can see since that blue line is to this side, that the floss is lower, which means the floss is heavier than the Kiss. So I was correct on my first one. Okay? And what we could do is actually see how much heavier it is. And we can do that by using something to measure it with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Kiss out, and I'm going to see how many blocks does it take to make the same equal weight as the floss. It's 2. Still not there. Uh-oh. All right, about 3 blocks. So I'm going to put on here equals 3 blocks. So let's see how many the Kiss is. So if I take the floss out, I put the Kiss in. Oh, we know that the Kiss is lighter because the Kiss was lighter than the floss. So let's take 1 cube out. Now we have 2 cubes. Perfect. So the Kiss equals 2 blocks or 2 cubes. So it was just 1 cube difference in weight there. So they were very, very close. So, all right, let's compare to other things. And some of them will be too heavy to measure with the cubes because this thing will just overflow. Trust me, I've had experience with that. So let's try a pack of gum. And we're going to do the Hershey bar. I'm going to say, this is a close one again. I'm thinking the Hershey bar. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to switch to gum. I say the gum is heavier than the Hershey bar. So I'm going to put gum. And I'm just gonna say bar. I'm just gonna write bar of chocolate. All right, let's look. Oh no! I should have stuck with the first one I said. So you could definitely tell that the chocolate bar is heavier than the gum. I mean, it's on the ground, it's that heavy. And the gum is the highest it can be. So, wow. I was not right on that one. So, I'm putting in an X. The gum was not heavier. It is not heavier than the chocolate bar. Okay? Oh my goodness. So, now what you could even do is be like, well, how many blocks? I'm going to estimate how many blocks I think the Hershey bar might be. So, if I know that a little kiss, the kiss was 2, this is a whole bar of chocolate. So I'm gonna guess 35 blocks, all right? So we're gonna start filling up this side until we can make it even, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It still hasn't even left the ground. Oh my goodness. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, might be 19. It looks pretty on. Let me add one more just to see. That'd be 20. I think it might have been 19. So I was way off. Goodness gracious. But that's okay. That's what an estimation is. It's just a guess. I was about 16 off, so I mean, not too bad. But okay, so 19 blocks is the chocolate bar. Where did I put my marker? Here it is. So the bar was heavier, and it equals 19 blocks. So how many do you think the gum might be? What's your prediction? Excuse me. So let's say, if the chocolate bar was way heavier than the gum, it's 19 blocks. I'm going to guess that the gum might be, I'm going to guess that the gum is going to be 11 blocks. All right, so we're going to take one out and count backwards. So this is 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So 10, I was very close on that estimation. So 10 blocks is how much the gum weighs. So a 9 block difference in their weight. And you could use different things at home to measure. You could say, oh, you can measure with goldfish instead of blocks, cereal, anything that you have at home. Okay, we'll do a couple more. So I have a potato. This is a big potato. And I have a white onion. So these are both pretty heavy. But I'm going to say the potato is heavier than the onion, or the onion is lighter than the potato. So let's see. I'm going to put the onion down. I'm going to write heavier. I'm going to write potato. And lighter, I'm going to write onion. That is my guess. That is my prediction. Let's see. Oh, so I was right. The potato is heavier because it's lower. The onion is lighter because it's higher up. So I was right. I'm going to give myself a check. And then now I am going to find out how much they weigh. They're pretty heavy. We'll see if I can weigh them out and find out how many blocks. So let's try the potato first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's not even budging yet. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh my Lord. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Oh, we might not be able to find the way to this one. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. It still has not even moved off the ground. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, oh, 84, 85, 86, oh my goodness, I don't know, 87, 88, I don't know, that was 88, 89, 90, 91, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be able to go above 90. So this potato weighs more than 90 blocks. Let's find out if this is 90. Let's see about the onion. Oh, so the onion even weighs more than 90 blocks because it's still not budged. So the potato must weigh a lot more. So wow. I can't even figure out their weight because they're so heavy compared to the blocks. The blocks are just way too light to measure the onion or the potato with. So I hope that this was a good little lesson for you to see how you can just measure things around the house. You can predict with your hands. And then if you have a food scale at home, you could use that too instead of a balance scale, because sometimes I measure out my food when I'm cooking or eating on a little scale, just like a scale you would step on to weigh yourself. So that's one way you could do it. Or you can just make estimations with what you feel. Use your hands and just have two things in it. Oh, I know this potato is way heavier than this kiss. This kiss is lighter than this potato. So I would love to hear some comparisons that you can do with things around your house, okay? You can use pens, a wallet, car keys, anything you can find. You can compare their weight. Which one's lighter, which one's heavier, okay? All right, I will see you tomorrow for volume. Bye.